Introducing the perfect combination of luxury, safety, and efficiency. The petrol, electric, automatic Estate. Packed with an impressive list of comfort and accessories features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth phone, this vehicle truly has it all. Not to mention the interior features such as load cover, parcel shelf, and luxury trim for added convenience. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, among many other security and safety features. With stylish elements like chrome package, roof rails, and sunroof, this vehicle is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Plus, with headlight washers, tyre repair kit, and self-leveling suspension, you can feel confident on the road at all times. Rest assured that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.